Hello guys, hope you will be fine and taking good care of your health. Welcome to this video. In this video we are solving example 2.2 and 2.3. Open your textbook page number 37 and read example 2.2. A sprinter completes its 100-meter race in 12 seconds. First of all, question arises, what is sprinter? A man that is running or taking a part in race, that is called sprinter. जो रेस लगाने वाला जो भी आपके पास खिलाड़ी होता है उसे sprinter कहते हैं. So in this question, first of all we write given data. So you can see here given data is distance is given, that is 100 meter. So here we can write total distance is equal to 100 meter. There are marks of this given data, so you cannot solve these types of numericals or example directly by putting formulas. First of all, you have to write given data because there are 1 mark in exams of given data. Then you can see in 12 seconds time is given. So here I write time. We denote time with T and that is 12 seconds. Now we write required data, means what is required in this numerical. So I write here required data is required data. You can write it required data and given data with markers, and this theory you can write with your pen. Here average speed, we have to find average speed. That is denoted by VAV, average speed, that we have to find. Okay, so now we have to write formula. So I write here formula that involves average speed and distance and time. So you know that when we cover the topic of speed, we learn its formula. The formula of speed is total distance covered in a unit time is called speed. So here I write total distance over time. We denote total distance with S, time with T. Now just putting the values of S and T, we get the answer. The total distance is given 100 meters, so I write here the value of S, that is 100 meter, and the time is given, that is 12. 100 divided by 12. When we divide 100 with 12, you can use your calculator to divide it. We get the answer, that is 8.33. And one more thing that you have to keep in mind, that is you have to write the unit of that quantity that you are finding. You have to write the unit in the last. The unit of speed is, you know, that meter per second, so I write the unit here 8.33 meter per second. So now we find the speed is equal to 8.33 meter per second. If you do not write here unit, your 1 mark is cut out in your exams or in your test. Now we are solving example 2.3. As in previous example 2.2, first of all we write given data, so I write here given data. Here given data is a cyclist completes half round of a circular track. You have a circular track, but a cyclist completes only half round, so I make half circle here. I say this is point A and this is point B. I am not making here complete circle, I am making half circle. of a radius 318 meter. in 1.5 minutes find its speed and velocity. We have to find two things here, speed and velocity, and here I draw half circle, not a complete circle, and this is the center of this circle. So here first of all we write given data that is given here, that is radius is given, so I write here radius is equal to 3, here radius is equal to 318 meter, so I write here 318 meter, and then time is given, so I write here time that is denoted by t, radius is denoted by r, that is 1.5 minutes. In unit number 1, you know that we have to write any physical or basic quantity in SI unit, system international unit. So you know that the time is a base quantity and its SI unit is seconds, but here you can see this is given in minutes, so we convert it into seconds. Here 1.5 minutes are given, mean 1 minute, and 30 seconds are given. Here we have to convert minute into second. You know that 1 minute contains 60 seconds. 60 seconds, that's why I can write here 60 second plus these 30 second. We do not place here plus sign because the minute and seconds are two different units, so this is a bigger unit and this is a smaller unit, that's why we do not place here plus, but when we convert it into same units like second and second, then we place plus sign here. 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 seconds. Now just we have to find speed and velocity, so I write here we have to find our required data. You can write here we have to find speed and velocity. So first of all we have to learn what is the formula of speed and what is the formula of velocity, then we can easily find the speed and velocity. So first of all I am going to write the formula of speed. The formula of speed is distance covered in unit time. Distance covered in unit time is called speed, but here you can see we do not know what is distance here. We only know the speed and time, we only know the radius and time, but we can find distance here. You know that the formula of distance, you know that our cyclist is covering half cycle, and in previous classes you have a geometry box that have a D, on which by the help of D we can find the angles. D consists of 180 degree. Total angles on the D are 180 degree on the left side, and right side you can see there is a number that is 180 degree. From this we can find the angles, and you can see this is in the form of D, so means a cyclist is covering 180 degree. So if we convert 180 degree into radian, we get pi is equal to 3.14. so here the distance, the formula of distance here, the formula of distance is pi r. Total pi is coming, and what is r? R is radius. What is radius? If you take any circle, the distance from center of the circle to any point of a boundary of a circle, that is called radius. I draw here one radius. This is second radius. The value of radius is always same. This is also a radius. means the distance between the center of a circle and the boundary of a circle is called radius, and the formula of distance is pi r. By this formula you can find the distance. So you remember this formula, distance is equal to pi r. Now here just putting the values. The value of pi is 22 over 7. 22 over 7. When we divide we get 3.14. So I am putting the point value of pi, that is 3.14. This pi you already learned in class 8 chapter number 9. Pi is equal to circumference of a circle divided by the okay. Now just putting the value 3.14 multiplied by r, the value of r that is given here, that is 318 meter. When you multiply these values with calculator you get here 99 meter. So I put here 99 meter. When we find the distance, simply you can put the values in this formula of speed. So I write here speed is equal to the value of distance is 99 meter divided by time. The value of time is the time that is given here, that is 90 seconds. When we divide we get 11.1 meter per second here. Now we are finding velocity. You know that the formula of velocity is displacement over time. What is displacement? The shortest distance between 2 points is called displacement. You can see a cyclist start from a point and it covers half circle. This is A and B. The shortest distance between A and B is this line. This is the longest path, this is the shortest path. That is you know that the distance from center of a circle to the any point of any point on the boundary of a circle, that is called radius. This is radius, this is also radius. Displacement is equal to d is equal to 2r. So here I put the values of displacement, that is equal to 2r over time. Just putting the values, 2 multiplied by r. R is equal to, you know that 318 meter, 318, and divided by the value of time t is 90 seconds. When you can cut 2 on the 2, 245 the 90, and when you divide 318 with 45 you get the answer, that is 7.07. 7.07. The unit of velocity v is meter per second. So these are two numericals that we covered today. Next inshallah we solve 2.4 and 2.5 example. Allah Hafiz.